The 2016 Buick Cascada. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include power windows, leather upholstery, automatic temperature control, a power convertible roof, rain-sensing wipers, lane departure warning, and power seats. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including knee airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.